Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, a warm welcome to you. In this video, I want to share an interesting discovery I made while traveling to Gudimallam in southern India. Along the way, I came across a culinary institute and it got me thinking about how cooking in India is rapidly evolving. Cooking at home and cooking as a profession are two very different things. Today, cooking as a career is gaining serious importance in India. This shift is clearly reflected in the growing number of culinary institutes across the country. After all, India is the most populous country in the world, and its demand for professional chefs is rising fast. According to the educational portal shiksha.com, India has more than 490 culinary colleges. Most of these institutes are privately run, while others are managed by state governments or semi government organizations. The highest concentration of culinary schools can be found in the states of Maharashtra and Punjab. Adding to this growth, the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, has taken a major step by establishing the Indian Culinary Institute. It operates two campuses, one in Noida, located in the national capital region near Delhi, and the other in Tirupati, in southern India. Academically, the institute functions under Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. The Indian Culinary Institute offers a wide range of programs, including graduate and postgraduate degrees, as well as short term diploma and certificate courses. Being a government run institution, it is well equipped with strong infrastructure and reliable placement support, making it an attractive choice for aspiring chefs. Interestingly, we are also seeing a rise in celebrity chefs in India, reflecting how the profession is gaining recognition and respect. Most importantly, India is moving beyond its traditional mindset when it comes to cooking. Today, both men and women are embracing cooking, whether at home or as a profession for livelihood. This change marks an exciting new chapter in India's culinary journey. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, I thank you for your presence and your time. Wishing you peace and prosperity.